Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Wish step by step clearly. To improve your passive income with Wish, start by signing up for a Wish seller account. Visit the Wish website and select the Become a Seller option. Follow the prompts to create your account, providing necessary information about your business. Once your account is set up, explore the platform to understand its features and tools. Research popular products on Wish to identify what sells best in your niche. Select a product or category that aligns with your interests and market trends. Source your products from reliable suppliers who offer competitive pricing. Calculate your pricing strategy, ensuring you cover costs while remaining attractive to buyers. Create appealing product listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Optimize your listings by using relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Set up promotional campaigns to attract more customers to your products. Monitor your sales and customer feedback continually to assess performance. Adjust your strategies based on trends and customer preferences for better results. Network with other sellers in the Wish community for tips and best practices. Consider investing in advertising to boost your product visibility on the platform. Regularly update your inventory to keep your offerings fresh and exciting. Set clear goals for your passive income and track your progress over time. Stay informed about changes in newly launched features or policies on Wish. Utilize analytics tools provided by Wish to better understand your sales performance. Reinvest a portion of your earnings back into the business to scale up your efforts. Experiment with different products and marketing strategies to find what works best. By following these steps, you can enhance your passive income potential with Wish effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.